Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In today's video, we're finally getting to try the latest Good Luck app update. And the best part is, it's not limited to One UI 7 only. This new version of Good Luck also works with One UI 6. This update not only brings a fresh new look to the Good Luck application, but also includes some exciting wallpaper options that you can try out on your Samsung smartphones. Additionally, this update introduces a new widget for Good Luck, which can be added directly to your Samsung smartphone's home screen. To try out the new look of Good Luck version 3.0, you can download the latest version from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. However, at the time of this video recording, the update isn't yet available on Google Play Store and Galaxy Store. But don't worry, you can manually install the Good Luck update. The download link for the latest Good Luck version 3.0 is available in our Telegram channel. Simply download and install the application from the Telegram channel, and you'll be able to enjoy the new features of Good Luck version 3.0 on your Samsung smartphones. Here's what the initial interface looks like. First, you'll need to click Agree and Continue. If you have previously installed Good Luck modules, they'll automatically appear in this new version of Good Luck version 3.0.10.1. In the new version of Good Luck application, there are several new features that weren't available in the previous versions. The first one is a new section at the bottom called You, where you can add your favorite Good Luck modules for easier access. To add a favorite module, just click on the Favorites menu, select the module you want to add, and then go back. Then your selected module will appear in the You section. Below the Favorites menu, you'll also find a section showing the modules currently running on your Samsung smartphones. Below the Favorites menu, you'll also find a section showing the modules currently running on your Samsung smartphone. You can monitor which modules are active, and if you want to disable any modules, you can do so directly from this menu. To reactivate them, simply go to the settings on the left and turn them back on. Then all active modules will show up in the Settings in Effects section, making it easier to manage them. You can even temporarily disable all modules by clicking the Disable All button in the top right corner. The interface of Good Luck version 3.0 is now cleaner and more organized. You can view detailed information about each installed module by clicking the info icon next to it. If you want to update or install additional modules, you can click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Go to Store to download or update the module you need. Another interesting feature in this update is the addition of module categories at the top of the interface. In previous versions, modules were only divided into Makeup and Live Up. Now there are additional categories like Clock, which allows you to customize the clock display on your Samsung smartphones. Then there are other categories such as Extensions, Gesture, and Home Screen, which make it easier to find specific modules for the settings you need. For example, if you want to adjust your notification settings but forget which module to use, you can simply search under the notification category, and all the relevant modules will be listed. Similarly, the keyboard category displays modules like Keys Cafe and Theme Park, which you can use to customize your keyboard. These new categories make it faster and easier to navigate and find the modules you need. Another exciting feature in this Good Luck 3.0 update is a new set of widgets and new wallpapers that were not available in previous versions. These can be accessed from the top right corner next to the Settings button. The update includes two widget options, a small 1x1 widget and a larger 4x2 widget. To add them, click Add to Home Screen, and then select Add. The 1x1 widget acts as a shortcut to quickly access various Good Luck modules, displaying them in a 4x4 folder view. The 4x2 widget, on the other hand, has a retro-inspired design. You can customize it by selecting which modules to display in the widget. The widget background includes dynamic animations that can change based on the module you've recently accessed. You can add up to 4 shortcuts from different Good Luck modules to the widget. In addition to the new widgets, this update also introduces several new wallpapers. These wallpapers can be applied to both home screen and lock screen. If there are any new updates about Good Lock or its modules, we will share them in the next video. Hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.